Hey guys, let's see today how to fix contact photo and poster disabled on iOS 17. So go to contact here and you can just tap on it, and now you can see over here. Yeah, here you go. Contact photo and poster is showing disabled, but now I want to fix this issue. So first let me know you guys why this issue is coming. So the reason being is, if you go back, and guys, please make sure that you have successfully logged in with your Apple ID. So just go and check. Might be you have not logged in with your Apple ID. So if you have successfully logged in with your Apple ID, and now just come once again, and now just tap on it, and now here contact photo and poster, just tap on it, and now just try to set, just go for continue, and now you can just select any memoji, your photo. Just let me, I will select this time any memoji. So you can select any memoji. So for me, let me select this one. So if you can select this, you can select this one, and you can go for next. And if you want to change any of the font style, you can change it. If you want to change color, you can, according whatever you want, you can select. And now once you are ready with that, so let me select. Once you are ready with that, just click on done and just go for continue. Just go for continue, and now you can see over here share automatically, contacts only, and just go for done. And now it is appearing contact photo and poster contacts only. So now again just go back to contacts here, and now this time if you select on card, see here contact photo and poster is showing contacts only, it's showing contact photo and poster is showing contacts only. So now guys, the issue has been fixed. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.